can't believe this. I've just literally started recording. I've sat down, opened up nearly a 10x. 10x, I'm done. We are getting smoked. Absolutely smoked. Okay, so as you know, the markets are absolutely cooked at the minute. So I haven't been day trading whatsoever. There've been a couple of runners like Penguin, which done well, but then they just died straight away. So I haven't been doing anything. I've been doing no trading whatsoever. At times like this, I just sit on my hands, and I'll also play around with some other things. So what I have been doing is playing a lot of SolPump. I'm going to be doing a video today on just going over SolPump, what they do, and we're going to be playing a few games of their Crash game. It's a Solana-based casino, and it's very, very good. I'm really enjoying it. I like to sit here. I like to have a chat with people. I like to just have fun on it. If you head to the link in the description, that's an affiliate link of mine. It will take you straight to SolPump, and it will just tie your account to my affiliate link. I don't get an awful lot for it. You get some free stuff, daily chests, stuff like that. I'll show you now. If you come up to the daily case opening, you just do a few steps. It's like link your Discord, link Telegram, and then you can use their daily chest opening. And what you need to do is you need to type in simply, and that is my code, but the link in the description will tie you to that, and you'll be able to just redeem and claim some free stuff. So sometimes they give you some free Solana. It'd be like airdrops of their token. Okay, so here's the SolPump token. As you can see, it's been on a steady incline, to be fair, but what they are doing is any fees they generate, they have been generally buying up supply and then burning it. So I think that's a really good W for the team there. So it might be worth having a little look into, see if you wanted to throw a couple of Sol at this. But this is a long-term play. I think the team aren't going anywhere. They obviously generate a decent revenue through their website. So I think that they're going to be doing really, really well. And I think that when the volume does pick up on chain, I think that this could do very, very well. Considering that they continue to work on the website and they continue to add new features, new games, and they just recently bought out Blackjack. So we're going to play some Crash today. As you can see, once you're on the website, you just need to connect a wallet. Now, I've just created a new wallet, and I've funded it with 1 Solana, and this is basically the game of Crash. So we'll just play a couple of games today. As you can see, they've got a few people online right now. There's 222 people in the chat. They are playing now. We've just literally missed a 20x as well, which is frustrating. So at the top here, you can see all of the recent wins. Some of them do well, some of them don't do well. Obviously, this is just gambling. So just be careful with how much you do throw at this. I only ever fund my wallet with a couple of Sol. I'll have a play for an hour or two, then come off. So it's entirely up to you what you do, but be responsible with your money. I don't endorse gambling. However, we're all degenerates. Do what you want. I'm just playing a few games for a bit of a fun whilst the markets are absolutely cooked. So if we just go up to bet amount up here, and we'll just put in 0.05 just for a bit of a laugh. So you can go really low. I mean, we'll watch this next game play out, and we'll see however many. Look, 0.01, 0.01. You can really do like minimal bets on this. I mean, 0.05 is just under $5 at the minute, so it's not an awful lot at all. And then you just click place bet, and then I think we're probably a bit late for this round actually. So let me just sign in. Right, it's going to want to confirm the transaction, so let me get rid of this because it will probably be on the last round. So we'll go 0.05, place the bet, and it'll want us to confirm the transaction. So what we'll do, we'll click confirm. We're happy for them to do that. And now we're in. So as you can see here, that's us here. And then everyone else below us, they're all putting their bets on as well. And then we'll watch the rocket ship go and die straight away. Absolute fucking pandemonium. Well, that's a good start to the video. So 0.05. Now, what I like to do here is, I mean, it's up to you. I mean, you can either just put a little bit on and then just see how it goes. And then you can either hope for a massive 100x runner. They're not too few and far between. Or you can just play it out and play it safe. Take your profit out at a 2x. 1.56x that one. Obviously, the higher the number, they change colors. As you can see here, this is the 3x and 9x. They go purple. I think after a 10x, it goes to like yellowy color. So let's see if we can get a win here. And I like to just sit and chill for a bit. I normally have YouTube up on my second monitor, and I'll just sit and watch some YouTube, play on this a little bit, sit through Telegram. We are getting smoked. Absolutely smoked. We're gonna have a big one soon, surely. Place bet, confirm. Big one's coming. Big one's coming. If I stop now, I'll miss it. They also have advanced betting, so you can take your initials out at a certain point. If I click on advanced betting here, so you can do a progressive cash out. So you can take out however much you want at certain price points. Like, you don't have to take it all out all at once. Yeah, you can just do little and often. If you want to take 50% out at a 2x or all of it, it's up to you. 10%, 25%, it's entirely up to you. Getting smoked here, boys. This is bad. So as you can see, guys, I'm spending $4 at a time. So I'm not like breaking myself here. We're just enjoying. Let's play this out. Gotta be a big one coming up soon, surely. Got more. Brilliant. Sitting here chatting away to these guys. I've missed a fucking runner. Quality! Okay, so that's 7x, 8x, 10x, I'm done. I'm out. So that's a 10x. Bosh! Look at it going though. Probably should have taken 50% out. Woo! Let's fucking go, boys. That was a good little win. But yeah, so it's good. I mean, the game is good, right? So if you want to just sit here, like I said, I sit here on YouTube and I'll watch something on YouTube and I'll jump in every now and again. I'll just have some fun. I'll put a little bit of money on. I don't go crazy, but it just kills a little bit of time and it keeps my gambling addiction satisfied. I'll watch the markets, I'll see what's happening, and I just have fun, guys. Like, it's just enjoy it. Like, it's a good game. Chat to the people in here, have fun, enjoy it. You can also use your mobile phone. I've sometimes used my phone as well. Sometimes I'll commute to London and spend a few hours in London and stuff on the train, and on the way to London I'll end up just jumping on my phone and playing a few games on my phone. So it's good. I enjoy it. Have some fun. We've made a little bit of profit today. I'm going to probably wrap it up there. Let's play one more. I'll let this next one play out. We'll jump in to one more. We'll go from there. So this is a bit of an overlook today. I've previously made a video on SolPump and I went through how to set up a wallet and stuff, but it's really super easy. They give you a wallet. Just make sure you add the seed phrase of that wallet to Phantom. I highly recommend you do that. Just so you can just keep track of your funds, make sure that they're safe, stuff like that. So we're in another game here. So at the minute it's 1.5x. So the longer and longer it goes, the higher and the faster and faster it climbs. So it starts a bit slow, and then obviously, so we're up to a 3x now. So it just crashed at a 3x, which is absolutely fine. We don't mind that. We're happy with a 3x. We came in with 1 sol. And we're up to 1.15 at the minute. Everyone's sharing my YouTube link in the chat now. Guys, if you're watching this, I really appreciate you. I really, really appreciate you. Thank you so much. But you honestly don't need to do that. I'm here for a good time, not a long time. You watch. I've just missed this now, and it's gonna run. So we hit the 23x, but we sold at a 10x. So I was happy with that. This one's gonna go off and do an absolute runner now. You watch. I missed this one. Look for it. Right, we'll jump into this next one. We'll hope for a gold number, and if not, I'm going to call it for today. We had fun. I'm going to do another video next. I'm going to probably go through Coinflip. Now, what I have been doing, I've been talking to Grok, and I've been trying to work out if there's a way that you can manipulate the odds in your favor, because obviously Coinflip's like a 50-50, right? It's not this. I mean, this you can get greedy on this. Like, if you're looking for an orange number every single time, it's probably not going to come in, right? So unfortunately, obviously, with something like this, you can get greedy and human emotion does take over. However, on Coinflip, it's a 50-50 chance, right? So there is math involved in that. So I'm going to do another video next on if you can manipulate the odds slightly. See if there's a way I can do that. But we'll see. So look out for that one. Let's run this one and then we're going to wrap the video up. Wrecked. Right, guys. Well, we got a 10x from one, didn't we? So we're back at break even, so that's fine. So, guys, if you enjoyed this, let me know in the comments below. I really appreciate a sub and a like on the video. Thank you to everyone in the chat today, by the way. If you are watching this video, I really appreciate just like the love in this chat. It's so good. Everyone's so friendly, guys. So make sure you click on the link below. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you find any good wins. I've seen some massive like 200, 300x runners on this. It's absolutely wild at times, the amount of money that can be made. But please, guys, be responsible. Don't go crazy. It is gambling. I don't want anyone moaning in the comments below about that they lost everything, because I'm not putting my portfolio on this. It's just a little bit of fun whilst I'm chilling out, whilst I'm watching some YouTube. I'll jump in every now and again and I'll play a game. That is all this is. So guys, be responsible, please. I will see you guys in the next one. See if we can cheat Coinflip. See you later, guys. Bye.